Okay, they're after my pocket because I think I have the smell of treats in here. Yeah, I have the smell of treats in here. Let me see. Yeah. Yes, there's treats in here. Let's see. Is it lint or is it treats? I don't know. You guys are saturating my pocket. Yes. Yes. Last video. And then I gotta get myself in gear. I got 2 more dogs to do, 3 more dogs to do. Yeah. And gotta fit in eating somewhere. Good news, everybody's out of heat. And so at least one of the gates can come down now. We'll not have to worry about any of that stuff. Yes. You think in a week, the puppies get their shots and checkups and microchips, and then on 2 days later, which is a good timing because they need to recover from the shots and not be sore. So you have a good visit. They will be recovered from that. Yeah. I also have to deworm them again, although their bowels are quite solid. I'm sure it won't be sufficient for your vets, so we best do it. Yeah. Hello, babies.